as to if it'd be good or not. Okay, I'm gonna eat 2 of these. Phone's really excited for it. Nice. Never really been a huge Tomb Raider fan, but the new one does look pretty good. But I don't know. There's the enemies. I don't like the night time like this. Museum of Technology. I made it! Freedom? Oh. Freedom. Ah! Oh, okay, I'm saving it. I don't think I can kill these guys yet. Oh shit. Oh, that leg damage. Hit the VATS to search out nearby enemies. Remember, you're invisible. Never mind, lol. You'll be the 3rd streamer to play Warframe with me if you do, Sam. Twitch is awesome. Nice, man. Yeah, I love Warframe, dude. It's never really had enough people to play it with. I can't play it forever, but I do like to come back to it every time and smash it out. I made Vault on PC. Bit of a change up from Excalibur, but I really should have made Excalibur because of the changes to Excalibur are quite awesome. It's made him nearly one of my favourite Warframes now, considering he was like pretty crappy for a base Warframe. Grenade big guys? Okay. That's a good idea considering that they probably might kill me. Oh! I blew both of his feet off. That pun was painful. What pun? Oh! Oh, I leveled up! Yay! Let's get 30 barter. Big guns, let's go to 50. Oh baby. Get the sneak up a bit. Excalibur is so good, I've heard they are making an Umbra Excalibur that is supposed to be improved. What the hell? Damn. Hey Kalari, hope you're having a good day. Welcome back. Yep, another day of Fallout 3. Energy weapons. Yeah. And no, not melee weapons. No. Speech. Continue. Can I do more now? Strong back. Carry 50 more pounds of equipment. Yep. Okay. Now let's loot everything before we move on. A lot more. You'll see a lot more of me playing Fallout 3. Nice. Nah. Explosions always gave me more points to level up in every Fallout. Oh, okay. Ever heard of a string game called Unturned? A Steam game, Unturned. Is that like Minecraft but zombies sort of thing? Like Lego zombies? If so, I have played it and wasn't super keen on it. It's a weird game. I'm working on making Rhino Prime. Nice. Only need one more piece. Damn. Yeah, Rhino Prime's pretty good. It is? Okay, nice. Basically, okay. Yeah. That game, I don't know. It was just way too hectic. Stealth Boy, I'm definitely taking that. And another one? Holy shit. Wait, hunting rifle. Alright, cool. Can't blame the creator, only 19 currently. I don't know what you mean by that, dude. Hunting rifle. Oh, okay. Wait, you mean the creator of the game's 19 years old? If so, that's pretty epic. Search hose boxes. I think means the creator is 19. If so, that's quite epic. Search hose boxes, you might find something good. Oh, okay. Nah. Creator is 19. Sorry for the confusion. That's all good. That's pretty epic though, being 19 and to make a game like that. Holy shit. My hat off to him. Fuck, this boss is difficult. Shoot him in the gut. He's got like a little, right here on his chest or on his abdomen, he's got this little lump that you shoot. That's his sugar spot. Big red hose boxes on, no. Should get yourself Payday 2 so we can play together. I've seen Payday before, but I've never played it. Sounds interesting though. Off to the shop, be right back. No worries, McG. Oh! What the fuck was that? Payday 2 is the best with a full group of four people you know. Okay, cool. Awesome to get people to play with lol. Community isn't very friendly to new players. Ouch. Oh no, I have literally no health now. A lot of the missions can be stealth pass with 2 only. Okay. But even you alone if you know what you're doing. Okay. What is it like GTA? I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh wait. Huh. I have some cool stuff I want to show you in Warframe next time you play. Oh, nice. The first person shooter, she hits the fan simulator. Nice. Nah, nothing in there. Payday 2 is okay, but there's too many glitches now. Back to Fallout. But as Payday 2 FPS, I doubt it's anything like GTA. Okay, I have Grand Theft Auto 5, but on Xbox One. I also have Dragon Age Inquisition on Xbox One, and Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse, Mortal Kombat 10. What the hell? Ah. I have a cool cake thing that I bought for super cheap, and I built the Day2. Oh, the Detron. Oh, nice. Oh, really? No. Yeah. Get wrecked. Oh, he's throwing a grenade at me! No! Oh! Community should be finished, right? I'll jump on later and see it. See my Warframe. All the while he was talking to us, he was oblivious to the enemies entering the room. Yeah, it happens a lot. No more grenades, motherfucker. How hard is the exterior of your skull? They can't get through each other. Wow. Oh, he's got a rocket launcher? Oh, I'm not messing with that. Shotgun up close? Okay. Oh man. Alright, I have nothing to heal me with. Oh, yeah. Damn, you ugly. Where's my ammo? Where'd my shotgun go? Oh, it's got no in. Oh! Oh! Step on his toe? Yeah. Oh, that damage. Come on, one more shot, one more shot. What? No! Not a rocket launcher. Oh my god. Spit in his ear? Yeah, wet willies. Shit. Oh man. I'm pretty much dead. 75 lockpicking? Oh my god. So close to double digits, lol. Double digits? Throw your wiener dogs at him. Oh shit. Oh! One stim pack. Pretty stingy. Oh, on your desk. Okay, yep. Double digits. I get ya. I get ya. Ah, 10S Planet for the win, YT. I'm sorry. Thank you very much for the follow, dude. Welcome to the pain train. I appreciate it very much. Thanks heaps, man.
Knowledge regarding the universe. To understand why